Alright guys, today we'll be upgrading center console trim pieces to Ultrasuede. Will be pretty quick and easy. You will need a Phillips screwdriver for this, preferably a stubby. First we'll need to remove the shift boot by grabbing the side and pull it up. Alright, we'll need to remove 2 Phillips screws right here and on the opposite side. It's right there. Make sure one of your other hand is under the screw so that you don't drop down there. If you do, you will not find it. We'll pop the other screw off real quick. Again, make sure you don't drop it. Alright, we'll just pull the trim pieces straight back, but we'll also need to pull up on the middle part of the center console where my right hand is. The center part has a couple of pop clips, but as you can see it's already unlatched because I already pulled it up a little bit. I also find that it's a little bit easier if you pull up the back part of the trim piece instead of the front part like what I just did here. The blue front clip fell off, so we'll just need to put it back real quick. We'll be sliding the front side in first. We'll need to pull up the center part up a little bit so we can slide the trim piece under it. You will have a better view when I do the right side. Once it's lined up, we'll just need to push it down to clip it on, and we'll screw the Phillips screw back on. Alright, we'll just repeat the same process for the right side. Here you can see that I am pulling the back side of the trim piece up first, and then we'll slide it out from the center piece. We'll slide the front side on first again, and slide it under the center piece. And we'll screw it back on. And again, be careful not to drop the screw. Now we can push down the center piece to clip it on. And we'll install the shift boot tray. We'll need to slide the front end first, and then you can clip it on and then install shift knob. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more WRX videos. Take care.